How to heal muscle soreness in 3 days. Hello lovely YouTube family, welcome back to Healthy Drops. Before we start, I would want you to hit that red subscribe button so you never miss out on any of our videos. While there are no quick fixes, your muscles simply need time to heal, there are a few things you can do to alleviate stiffness and speed up recovery. Stay tuned until the end. This is exactly what you should do. Stretching before an exercise is said to help prevent injury and pain. Stretching your muscles before exercising, on the other hand, is definitely a bad idea. Arndt says, "I'm not a fan of stretching before training. Stretching did not have an effect on muscular pain within a week of following a workout, according to a Cochrane assessment of 12 research. Some data suggests that a dynamic warm-up performed right before an exercise can minimize muscle soreness for up to 2 days thereafter. However, the amount of soreness reduced in the studies was minimal. Number 1. Hydrate during and after workout. Staying hydrated is a vital part of muscle rehabilitation, despite the fact that it may seem self-evident. According to Arndt, water keeps the fluid in your system circulating, which can help reduce inflammation, clean out waste, and give nutrients your muscles require. This problem is determining whether or not you're dehydrated can be difficult because, according to Schroeder, you're likely to become dehydrated before thirst sets in. The color of your urine might help you determine whether or not you're dehydrated. Medium to dark yellow indicates dehydration, whereas pale yellow indicates hydration. Just keep in mind that taking vitamin supplements can make your pee darker than usual. Number 2, use a foam roller immediately following your workout. Self-myofascial release. Self-myofascial release, SMR, is a technique for releasing tension in muscles and connective tissues. Popular SMR equipment includes foam rollers, lacrosse balls, and massage sticks, as well as moving the fluids that build in muscles after exercise. Foam rolling was reported to assist increasing range of motion and minimize DOMS in a review published in November of 2015 in the International Journal of Sports Physical Therapy. Foam rolling and other forms of massage improve circulation, allowing more nutrients and oxygen to reach the affected area. Number 3, after a vigorous workout, eat within half an hour. You might be able to speed up recovery process, providing your muscles with the nutrients they require to repair and develop stronger, according to Arndt. Within 30 minutes of an extensive or long workout, he recommends getting 20 to 40 grams of protein and 20 to 40 grams of carbs in your system, one that is 60 minutes or longer. An example of a snack is serving of Greek yogurt with a handful of berries and a spoonful of honey. Protein is essential for providing amino acids required for muscle repair, while carbs are crucial for restoring the fuel resources depleted by your labor. However, don't stop at the post-workout snack. Going hungry or skimping on nutritious foods for the rest of the day won't help your muscles recuperate. According to Arndt, make meals a priority and try to maintain a consistent daily protein intake so your tissues get a steady supply of amino acid. If you're active, the International Society of Sports Nutrition recommends ingesting 1.4 to 2 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight every day, divided into 3 to 4 doses. If you weigh 150 pounds, you'll require 95 to 136 grams of protein each day. Also important are fruits, vegetables, and legumes. Number 4, later on, sleep. Arndt adds that sleep is vital for a variety of reasons, but it is also one of the most important aspects of exercise recovery. He continues, it may not appear to have an instant effect on muscle soreness, but it can certainly be effective. According to a paper published in Sports Medicine in October 2014, non-rapid eye movement in REM sleep boosts protein synthesis, the generation of new proteins, which is required to heal injured muscles. So don't skip on sleep during the post-workout period. The National Sleep Foundation recommends that you get at least 7 hours of sleep per night. Number 5, light exercise the next day after a strenuous workout. Sore muscles require rest, but that doesn't mean you should spend the day on the couch with your feet propped up. Restorative yoga, an easy stroll, swim or cycle, or even mild weight training are all good ways to get some soft exercise in. On successive days, avoid completing another tough workout using the same muscle groups. Schroeder recommends aiming for a 3 on a scale of 0 to 10, where 10 represents maximal effort. You want to get circulation flowing to the aching muscle so that oxygen and nutrients can be delivered for repair, but not at the expense of causing more harm to the muscle tissues. Number 6, NSAIDs should be avoided. Though you may be tempted to take pain reliever and call it a day, Arndt warns that doing so may jeopardize critical aspects of the muscle rebuilding process. Non-steroidal anti-inflammatory medicines, NSAIDs, such as Advil, ibuprofen, and Aleve naproxen may relieve muscle discomfort, but they also inhibit your muscles from coming back bigger and stronger. A short study published in the August 2017 issue of Active Physiologia found that taking the maximum dose of over-the-counter ibuprofen slowed gains in young people during an 8-week resistance training program aimed at increasing muscle and strength. Conclusion: it's difficult to get into a workout routine. Making the time to exercise, establishing a balanced routine, and setting goals are difficult enough. But when you add in muscle soreness that comes with adjusting into a new routine, when it hurts to hold your arm up to brush your teeth, chances are you won't be jumping out of bed to get to the gym. Experts say it's common to experience muscle soreness after engaging in a strenuous physical activity, especially if it's something new to your body. That's all for today. I hope you liked the video. If you did, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so you never miss any amazing video from us.